about to head to the new Rivian pop-up store in University District, I think it's called. It's right next to UW. It's where their old one was, but this one is literally a pop-up. They popped it up on, what was it, Monday? And they opened today, or opened yesterday. But today is an owner's meet and greet. First thing this at 10 o'clock. I'm gonna be late, but please go into drive. That's besides the point. But yeah, let's go to the University Village and let's go have fun there. I will catch you guys in a few. I gotta get some McDonald's first. All right, so this is a new Rivian pop-up in the University Village. One nice thing is it's right next to the Santa cabin. And so at Santa, you can ask Santa for a Rivian. But they have they have some Gen 1s, some Gen 2s here, which is kind of nice. As much as I joke about it, it still really does look like a garden center at like Lowe's or Walmart or something. But people can still come here and check out the Rivians by sitting inside, asking questions and everything. But I know this one is a Gen 2 because it has the new frunk setup, which is nice. But is it, oh, I think it's only a dual motor. Yep. You got your standard adventure interior, which is exactly what my quad had before. Now, I will say the Gen 2 Ascent seats are more comfortable, which is nice. So it looks like both of them are just dual motors in here. But this is probably going to be the trim that everybody gets. Like, unless you just want a nicer interior with a little bit more power, there's no need to get this. You get more range out of the dual motors. This is where you can check out all the interior trims. This is the one that I have right now with the bronze stitching, the plaid. Actually, this is all the Ascent right here. This is Ocean Coast and Driftwood, and then Slate Sky with walnut wood. But then over here, we got brown ashwood. So while there are stairs on the other side, we got the wheelchair accessible side over here. So if you have a walker or stairs just aren't for you and or a wheelchair, you can easily come in here and check it out. The times that they're open is from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. and then on Sunday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Is that Gary over here? It is Gary. So these are the black wheels that I have. These are the ones that my silver one had, but these are the new all-season 20s, which is, you know, if you're not doing any kind of hardcore off-road, but you still want something that can handle the wet and maybe some slush and everything like that, these are a good set to get. Now, I can recommend other ones like the Falcon Peak AT Trails, also really good, but it's nice to see that you don't need something as aggressive as this whenever you take delivery. So this is where it's located in the village. There is parking, you know, but it gets busy, so get here early to check it out. Oh yeah, it's definitely festive around here. But yeah, now, during your holiday shopping and everything, you can just come check out a Rivian. They can't really go over pricing and everything for you here in Washington State. They can go over all the features for you, which is really awesome. Now, I might put together a little pricing thing, just in case if you have questions about it. So then that way you could just refer back to my video if there is any questions. This is a short little video. Kind of nice to see everything, see all the people that I usually do, and I hope you guys have a good holiday, whichever holidays you actually celebrate, and have a great day. Bye, guys.